gingerbread man.
It's the what?
Gingerbread man.
And where'd you get it from?
eBay.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Look over here.
And
eBay, right?
Yeah.
And what is this complete?
The gingerbread walker set.
Okay.
Mommy's turn
For what?
to open the box. Mommy's turn to open the box.
What?
Do I have to open
Be
it?
on camera?
Do I have to open it for you?
No, no, no.
Come here, take it
I
out.
didn't tell me I was gonna be on
I'm
camera.
zooming it in. We're in the bathroom. A minute takes an hour. Come on.
Gotta wait a second. It's fine, it's fine.
Because, you know, it's...
I'm excited. I didn't know you had something for me.
Well, I have something for you.
You did this?
Yes, I did this.
Is it the
And notice
Jaclyn?
what the box says?
I know it says Ulta.
Yeah, and what do I know about... Here. What do I know about Ulta?
You're getting to know a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, so I'm going to be pretty good at the makeup thing.
Yeah. You're scaring me. Are you going in for makeup lessons now?
I don't
You're
know.
like going into Ulta?
I don't know, see, because...
Because they do makeovers at Ulta, so you're probably going in there and getting tips, which would not be bad. And that actually would be good, because then you could do my face. I'm my own makeup artist, so...
I'm a makeup artist. I told we discussed the makeup artist thing already.
Alright. So it's a Jaclyn Hill palette, I bet.
I don't know. I don't even know.
Joshua, do you know what it is?
I don't know.
I don't even know who these people
Here
are.
we go.
I haven't got a clue.
I have not seen what's in here. I had no clue. He did this, none whatsoever. This is a complete surprise. And if it is, I'm gonna just die. Oh my God! Gosh! I know. Thank you. Well, it should be the big one.
See, here you are running around trying to get your makeup done. You didn't even let me give you the makeup to get done.
I haven't done my eyes yet. Look at how pretty 5 colors. Serious. The everyday colors on the back. I'm super excited. Look at that. Ooh, pretty. Thank you so much. Oh gosh, thank you so much.
My Ulta Beauty haul.
Thank you. Jaclyn Hill, thank you for making this palette. And give my husband a thumbs up for doing this for me, because I really had no idea he was going to do it. And yeah, I'm really excited. So I'll do a full look when I get it on and add it to this video, maybe. Right?
Why not?
Yeah. Thank you. All right, guys, I gotta go do makeup. See ya.